Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the home page of this channel. Thank you. Let's get stuff ready for tomorrow. Today's Sunday. Let's get your stuff ready for Monday. And I did your paper towel method. Hey, it's damp, so that means it did its job. Now we're going to add some wet stuff to it, because you know I love my veggies. You know I love my pickled cucumbers and pickled onions. I added some peppers in there too this is that bread and butter veggies. Okay. Now, get in there, fella. Alrighty. Move that there. Set this right here. Get this shooken up. Remember, this is the G. Hughes honey mustard and Polynesian and water. It's about a fourth. It's half of the sauces and half water. That's a better way of saying it. Got some Greek seasoning here. I forgot to season it, so I'll just put some on now. Some Greek seasoning. Get some little bit of adobo going. Just a little bit of adobo. And then a little smoked paprika, because it's just so pretty and colorful. Just so pretty. And then a little bit of roasted garlic. Basically, it's just dehydrated garlic. Here we go. All right. So that's our salad. Let's see if we can get the lid on it. Force this lid on if it kills me. There we go. So we got our, oh yeah, I wanted to take a couple of these to work. So I have that. Oh, I got to get my breakfast stuff. I always forget that. Hang on. These, I saw these in the freezer the other day. This is the onions and peppers blend. I had some in a Ziploc bag. So I'll take those. I'll take a little bit of this ground pork. Just reuse the spoon that I used on my veggies. What's a little bit of a vinegary, bread and buttery flavor to your pork. Never killed nobody. It'd be all right. Okay, so we'll take about that much. Okay, so bread and butter, or the veggies, my ground beef. I might have to leave these out. Let's see what fits in here when I get the eggs in. Because I'm also needing my cheese to go in there. Let me get this open. Okay, we've got one wedge. We'll drop in there. I think it's going to be too tight if I put the veggies in. So I'll just have them in here. In there. Let's see. So the main thing, let's see what it is. Looks like pork steak and onions. I don't remember making it, but I'm sure I did. So pork steak and onions. That's what I'm taking for my main meal. So funny. It's always like, ooh, what did I do this 5 weeks ago or whatever, you know, because that's a couple weeks ago. That's not this weekend. So I can't remember what I did back then. Y'all know I can't even remember y'all's name. How can I remember what I did something to cook 2 weeks ago? So I'm not going to season it. If I taste it tomorrow and it needs seasoning, then I'll add some stuff at work. So we got, no. We're going to add some hazelnut syrup. My coffee is just coffee brewed in oh, you can't see it. I do this. It makes 12 servings and I divide it into 3. So I guess in theory it's 4 servings. But I use 3 scoops of regular coffee. And so in essence it's like 1 scoop of coffee per daily. Because I don't need any more. I don't need any more than that. Now I just add a little bit of water to top it off. Oh, and my chocolate electrolytes. You don't ever have to put chocolate electrolytes. I just do because I like how I feel. So, all right, I'm going to put this away and see you in the morning. Monday morning weight check. There we go. That's where we're hanging today on Monday. Really quick because it's going to be a busy day. I did my eggs and the veggies for a minute and a half. Stirred them up. Added in the cheese and the ground pork and did that for another minute. And now it's ready to eat. So that'll be my breakfast this morning. Okay, bye. Hey, it's lunchtime. And this is that thicker pork chop that I have and some onions. I think this, I don't know, I don't know what this was from. I don't know. I just know there's onion in there and pork chop. I have no idea when I made this. Could use more seasoning. But I'm thankful that meal prep day Terry was nice enough to cut up the pork chop into bites. I don't know if that was pork loin. Maybe it was pork loin. It might have been whenever I made that pork loin. I have no idea. No idea, but it's good. Now let's try it now. Let's try this salad. I mean, come on, it's a salad. You can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, that's right. It's got my big chunks of cabbage. All right. So that. Hey, living in Oz. There you go. That's the picture. That's me and my grandma. That was in 1998. I got married the first time. And so 1998. I was born in 1972. So I think I was 20. 876. So I was 26. There I am. Yep. That was in my very first wedding. Ha ha. So naive and innocent back then. Lord, look at me now. All right, let's work on supper here. I think I'm down at the tail end. I think I have 1 or 2 more of these left. And we are going to go ahead and add in. When I made this was frozen vegetables. It's a Normandy blend and ground beef. And so what I did was I just put the frozen in the container. And then I added the cooked ground beef and I tossed it back into the freezer. And then, I keep 4 days worth of food out in my refrigerator. So this has been out in my refrigerator for 4 days. That was some Mina harissa sauce. It's kind of like a spicy sauce. This is organic tomato basil sauce. And so we're going for like a Italian-y something or another. And then I've got one of those Laughing Cow cheese wedges. Put that right in the middle. Get on in there, feller. Yeah. You all know what I forgot, don't you? We all know it. All right, we're going to put in some Greek seasoning. We're going to use a little bit of, it's Lowry's adobo seasoning. I'm going to do some, It's roasted garlic, basically dehydrated garlic, and some everything bagel seasoning. And there we go. So now I'm going to microwave this for 2 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to make up something else. Hang on. Gotta be somebody, 'cause I'm already somebody to you. I sing it till there's no doubt. Alright, so we got some cabbage. This is what I cut up this weekend. We're going to make a... Okay, I know traditionally cabbage is made with real thinly, real thin stuff, but I ain't doing it. And so then I got some, it's a sweet, no sugar added pickle relish. Sweet pickle relish. Alright, there we go. And we're going to put a tomato in it. Where's the knife? So we're going to need a fork and a spoon. So my mama, this weekend, and so I'm going to work on these tonight, somebody brought a bunch of green beans at her church. I told y'all that people bring their produce there and you give a Goodwill donation. So these are green beans, and tonight I'm going to cut off the ends and then break them. So hopefully by the weekend, I'll have some. Hopefully they'll last till the weekend. But anyway, this weekend my plan is to, or maybe sometime this week. We'll see what time allows. I will. I need to cook up them green beans because I don't want them to go bad. But I know it'll take a little while to cook. Let's do another tomato. Kind of going extra with the veggies. I'm actually really, really hungry today. So I'm not really sure why, but I am. So we're kind of going a little extra on the veggies. All right. Now, we're going to add a little sesame seeds. This little makeshift coleslaw. And we're going to add a little bit of poppy seeds. Just kind of adding, for some texture. Then we're going to add our coleslaw dressing. This is the G. Hughes coleslaw dressing. Dadgummit, I got home and I forgot to turn off my camera out back. And so every time the dogs walk around out there, it's alerting me. All right, there we go. So we're going to have an Italian something or another. And a cabbage salad. That's what we're going to have. I'll throw some fruit in here in a minute. One thing at a time, Terry. One thing at a time. Really, this right here is plenty. But sometimes your eyes are bigger than your stomach. And your brain, if you're hungry, you just want what you want. And you can't help it. And then you might not finish what you got. But this don't seem like it's all the way hot. Let me see. Nope. Putting this back in the microwave. I'll be right back. Song of the day. I listen to K-Love. And there's a song. And it goes. Don't have to be somebody, 'cause I'm already somebody to you. Something, there's no doubt. Something. How's it go? I've just been singing it all day. Ain't gotta be somebody, 'cause I'm already somebody to you. I don't know. That's the part that's been rolled in my head all day. So, something, no doubt. Now I gotta Google the lyrics. Hang on. Song of the night. It's a Christian song from K-Love. Ain't gotta be somebody, 'cause I'm already somebody to you. I'll sing it 'cause there's no doubt. Ain't nobody gonna count me out. I'm gonna have to be somebody, 'cause I'm already somebody to you. like there's no doubt. I'm gonna sing it loud and proud. I'm putting my own words to it. All right, here's what we're having for supper. We got my cabbage, coleslaw stuff. Yup. Cabbage is a good filler. Not a lot of calories. The song's been in my head all day. May not be the right lyrics, but we'll make up our own. Don't have to be somebody, 'cause I'm already somebody to you. I'll sing it like there's no doubt. Some don't count me out. Something. All right, let's try our Italian stuff. Oh boy, it's got some temperature to it. But it's got a little kick too because I put that harissa sauce on it. And some frozen fruit. That's my supper. And I'm gonna work on cutting these green beans. Okay, bye.